This is a short introductory video to demonstrate programming second-generation Intercall Touch Wearable devices using the new Intercall Programming App for Android. The app can be downloaded from the Google Play Store on Android devices version 11 and above, supporting Bluetooth 5.2. Firstly, we access the app by pressing the Intercall icon. That takes us to the home screen. Remove the first device that we want to program from the box. In this case, the 983 wearable Pendant. We are presented with a warning sticker advising that the device needs programming using the app prior to use. We want to read the information contained within the device itself. The app screen prompts us to press the call button. When activated, the LED will change color, usually blue to green, to indicate it is a second-generation device suitable for programming with the app. The app reads the device and presents us with the information on the screen. It is assigned a user ID of number 1 automatically by default. Each user ID must be unique on the system between 1 and 999, including care cards or tokens that may be on the system. Pendant is the username assigned to this device that will show on the displays when triggered. In this case, we can reprogram that to John Doe. There is a maximum of 16 characters. We will also assume that user ID 1 has already been used, so we will reprogram to a free user ID number, in this case, number 2. The event ID is the event that is broadcast across the system to show on the displays and data log. So in this case, event ID 178 corresponds to an accessory call. The event IDs are listed in the 900 system controller, and the installer will be able to assist you with the different descriptions for the different types of events. The channel ID we recommend leaving as 0, unless advised by your system administrator. Likewise with the address ID, which would be provided by your installer. This corresponds to the device address, which you want to be activated in the first instance when the wearable device is triggered. If we're happy with what we programmed to the device, user ID number 2, under the name of John Doe, with an event ID of 178, which is an accessory call, we can then write to the device, which we achieve again by pressing the button. The device write is complete, and the neck pendant is now programmed. In addition, we will use the same method to program the wearable wrist call points. Again, we are prompted by the warning sticker to program the device. We follow the same procedure, read the device, press the button. The device information is displayed as user ID number 1. We know 1 and 2 have been used, so in this case we will change it to number 3. Username in this case we will change from wearable to Jane Doe. The default event ID is 178, which is an accessory call. We can choose, for example, event 180, which is an accessory alarm, which is a higher alert than an accessory call, so would take priority once triggered. Again, the installer can help with the event ID programming along with address ID, which are provided for pairing. Once we've finished, we can write the device, again prompted to press the call button. The device write is complete, and both Intercall Touch wearable devices are programmed for use in your system.